Want to know if your Revolut card will work when buying online? First, you'll need a Revolut card. Open the app and tap the card icon at the bottom to access the card section. You'll need the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Find these under your virtual card details by tapping on your chosen card. Go to the website where you want to make a purchase and proceed to the checkout page. Find the payment section where you can enter your card details. Carefully enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV code exactly as shown in your Revolut app. Double check for errors, as even a small mistake can cause the transaction to fail. You might encounter a 3D Secure Authentication step. Revolut will send a notification to your phone to verify the transaction. Open the Revolut app and approve the transaction when prompted. Follow the instructions you might need to confirm the amount, or use your fingerprint or PIN. Once you've approved the transaction in the app, the website will update to show your payment was successful. You're all set. You can now use your Revolut card for online purchases.